Right, in this video, we are going to go through the process of adding a user. So we are adding a new user in the system. So to do that, you need to first activate developer mode. So to activate developer mode, you need to go to settings. So you double click on settings there. So let's just wait for it to load. The network is a little bit slow, so just be here with me. Right, so we are now under settings and we need to activate developer mode. So I can scroll down here and then I go down. You see where it is in developer tools here. You need to click on activate developer mode. So I click there on activate developer mode and just wait for it to load again to activate developer mode. So you can also add these users without activating developer mode, but it will not give you more options or more rights to select for the users. So you need to activate developer mode. So this icon will show you that when you see this icon, it means you are in developer mode. So we can now proceed to adding our users. So also if you are adding users where you have got multiple companies or multiple branches, like in this case, if I click here, I can see I've got two shops here or two companies. I've got Chirozim and Shop5. So when I want to add users in Chirozim, I can just click here. First, you need to make sure that it's ticked here. When it's ticked, you now need to click on Chirozim. It means we will be going to work on Chirozim if I click on Chirozim there. So let's just wait for it to load Chirozim. Let's just wait. Right, so it's now showing Chirozim. If I want to add in Shop5, I can click there and then click on Shop5. Just wait for some seconds for it to load. Right, the network is a little bit slow today. Just bear with me. Right, so we are done now. So now let me go to adding the users. So to add the user, there's some noise there. Okay, so to add the users, you need to click on settings. So double click on settings and wait for it to load. Right, so here we are now under settings. You now click on users and company, then you click on users. So after you click on users, it will show you all the users that are currently in the system and the company or the branch that they are falling under. So in our case, we want to create a new one. So I'm going to click on create. So if you click on create, you come here. Let's say my username is called Otilia. And then email is Otilia again. Otilia at Chirozim. So you can put your email there. So in this case, I'm just using Chirozim as the email. So I can scroll down here. So this one is going to be a cashier only. So I come under sales here. You need to click on user own documents only. Point of sale, you need to leave it as users there. Accountant, you click where there is nothing there, so that there will be nothing there. Employees, you click again where there is nothing there. Again, you click where there is nothing there, which is the first option. Again, inventory. Inventory, you can just leave it like that. You click on user for inventory. You scroll down. We don't want them to be accessing this, but no address. We want them to be accessing address. We want them to be accessing serial numbers, multiple locations. I can just leave that one. automatic reminder, no. Purchase receipt, no. Text, no. Manage serial number, yes. They can't save unlocked dates. I untick that as well. So you can see these are the only items ticked. Under preferences here, there are some options again, but there is not much that you would want to use. But you can also select the default warehouse. Our default warehouse is also going to be shop 5. So it means the moment you create your company, it will also create a warehouse by the name of the company. So after this, you click on save. Remember, we haven't put the password yet. After I click on save, you need to click on create employee, but this is optional. After that, you click on action, and then you click on change passwords. Click on change password, then I click on new here. So here, that's where I'm going to enter my password. It's unfortunate that the system will not be showing you the password. So in my case, I'm going to type the password here. I'm going to put Otilia. That's the password. Otilia. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it there. Let me write it again. Otilia. So that's the password for Otilia. So you click on change password. You can just close that. Right. So our user have been added. I can click on users here to see the list of users that are added in the system. So you can see Otilia is here. To add another user, click on create, and then you enter all the details. So that's it for adding users in odoo.